Yes. Good. So hiking at high altitudes, it changes the pressure inside the ear, which is why when you fly, you have to kind of pop your ears or the pressure builds up. But sometimes when we're hiking, we can't actually get them to pop because you're not quite as high as when you're flying. Hopefully, that's a pretty high mountain.
Oh, yeah, it was very high.
I think that's what the ear adjustment is for, to help open up the eustachian tube. Ooh.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
My.
Get you all ready for the weekend. You don't like this one, I can tell. You're like, ankle, knee, and hip after all that.
Oh, on this side?
Yeah?
I was noticing
Some tightness?
going down.
Yeah.
Yes, it's like, I don't know. Oh my God.
Nice.
I'm taller now.
I think so. Cross your arms for me. Cross. Sit up here. Relax. All right, pop my shoulder too. Go ahead and sit up and face that one. I can't find your ear. Hopefully I don't tear any hair out. I'm just kidding. Oh. Oh, perfect.
He's on vacation.
There you go.
Very good. I feel like new.
Good. Good. Thank you so much.
Oh, yes.
Keep hiking though.